Hello, my name is Andres. I'm 17 years old. I have a girlfriend I love. I live in Wakaribaje. I'm a student and a guitar teacher. Here I talk about myself. Talk. I am such a big narcissist. I am student National Open University National and distance in the multimedia engineering on the faculty of the ECBTI. I am very active person and they call the hyperactivity. I do what my hobbies watching the parkour, playing guitar. I know Carlos Santana on Slash. Oh, I often enjoy and really like music, also playing. Video games. It's my hobbies. I like to write stories. I told the end. I don't know lie of the end of plenty of the trash. Um, I also like to say with my girlfriend too. I like to watch movies with her. I first series will do trust in the area and the money that I like about one of the how was Bojack Horseman. Oh, very good. By the way, but she's a lie. Lucifer, Morning Star. My favorite sport is, excuse me, soccer, American football. Will I think that I right now I like a book. My books now I'll continue with my family. My family is made of four people. One my mom, my dad, my brother, and me. Here used to be five, but my grandmother recently the peace is no longer here. My mother is Jenna Carolina. She is 38 years old. He is going to be 39. She is a manicure. She is a very cool, very cool lady. But if you get on the temper run apart from that she is very funny, sometimes I think she's another friend. He is a her eye is straight and black nor he's chubby or thin, with glad hair, eyes are brown. My father, name is Alberto, he is 39 years old. He is military man. Oh, soldier. He is a backstreet. He is a funny person. Shows my mother angry that is so the is dead. But I have not seen his angry, so for I am leaving. He is a squad Glen Gold's gaze. He is a very black hair. Is black ace. And finally my brother. Name is Juan. He is a 13 years old. He is going to be 4 years old. He is where are 13 years old. What can say about him? He is a boy who's very angry. He is a white school student. He's in the ninth grade. He is a chubby boy. Wears lens. I'm sure his eyes are dark brown. He is a black and smoothly playing the drums. Thank you.